what date we celebrated International Day for the Girl Child? We don't know. Okay, on the 12th of October was International Day of the Girl Child. That day was set aside to celebrate the girl child, to tell you that you are not lesser than your male counterpart. What a man can do, a girl can do it even much more better. So don't let any boy, any male tell you that I am a boy. No, you have the same one head that a boy has. You can't take the same brain that he gave a boy. So don't believe that you are lesser in any form. That's why that day is set aside to celebrate the girl child, because the girl child goes through so many things. Like you see them, you say, the education ends up in the kitchen. Don't go to school. But we are saying you can do whatever thing a man can do. How many of us know Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala? Do we know her? We don't know. She's a Nigerian, she's female, and she's the president of the World Bank. She's female. She's female. She's the president of the World Bank. How many of us know Professor Doral Akunyili also? We don't know her. She used to be a communication minister. She was also the DG for NAFDAC at a time. They were all female. How many of us know Funmilayo Ransome-Kuti? Okay, we know that, yes. She was the first female to do what? Thank you. So, that's very hard. What a man can do, a woman can do. Don't let any man make you feel less. Don't let any boy make you feel that, I am a boy. You to tell them I am a girl. What you can do, I can do it. God gave you brain, God gave me brain. The same brain. Your brain is not lesser. So you just go all out. You can achieve everything you want to achieve in life as long as you set your mind to achieve it. Do you understand? That is why we are celebrating you today. Tell yourself I am special. I am special. I can do it. And I will do it. I will make my parents proud. I will make my school proud. And I will make impact all over the world. Thank you so much. Let's clap for ourselves. Okay, so I'm here to teach us how to produce basil and hair shampoo. I'm here to teach us how to produce basil and hair shampoo. So, whenever you want to start production, please, it's safety for don't mind me. I say I'm not wearing nose mask, but it is right. You wear your nose mask, you wear your hand gloves, you wear your jacket, and you're in the lab. You're working with chemicals in the lab. That's why you always wear your lab coat. You wear your hand gloves because chemicals are dangerous. You understand? So, for you to be able to proceed, you must stay safe. You must be alive. You understand? So, that is why you must always be safety conscious. And let's go into how I'll be putting on my gloves because I'm writing what I want to do practical and wedding. What is even basil? What is a soap? You want to tell me? We have chemistry students here now. What is a soap? Just tell me whatever you understand. What is a soap? You can't use soap this morning now. If you know you can't use soap today, let me see your hand. You have not used soap today, let me see your hand first. So what is a soap? Let's talk. I want us to be very interactive. Okay, now let's give her, what's your name, please? Let's give her a very big round of applause. She said soap is a substance used for laundry and to bathe. It is a cleaning agent. We need soap every day. We need it for laundry, that is to wash our clothes. We need to wash our hands. We need to bath, to wash our dishes and the rest of them. And there is a chemical reaction that takes place before a soap is formed. Who wants to tell me what that chemical reaction is? You don't know. I have chemistry students here now, don't I? Okay, you've not been taught. No, okay, I said there is a chemical reaction that takes place. Soap is actually a byproduct of a chemical reaction. It's a salt from a chemical reaction. What is that chemical reaction called? Saponification. Let's write down saponification. So that is it. When you bring a lye, mostly we use sodium hydroxide, which we call caustic soda, and a fat or a oil. When two of them react, that chemical reaction takes place, saponification. you get a salt that we call a soap. Eh? So just put it in your mind, saponification. That is how we get our soap. And to make soap, you must live a life. And then people say, this soap is soda soap. But the truth is, you cannot make a soap without caustic soda. It's just the quantity in the soap that matters. That is, if it is too much, the soda soap. So for you to make a good soap, you need caustic soda, which we call sodium hydroxide. And you need an oil or a fat. You can make soap with any type of oil. You can use palm kernel oil, which is what I'm using. This is palm kernel oil. It is starting from, who knows palm nuts? You know kernel? Yes, that's the clear one. It's not the black one, the clear one. This one is the industrial one. And it's palm kernel oil. You can also make soap with palm oil, the red one. You can make soap with coconut oil, any type of oil, even the fat that comes from meat. And if you fry it, the oil that comes from it, you can make soap with it. So you can make soap with any type of oil, but just that the saponification value for each of the oils are different. So for any oil you want to use, you first find out what the saponification value is, and then you use that value. And to make it easier, when we go to the next page, just type saponification value, there's a chart that shows us that. So apart from that, we also need a mold. These are called molds. They help you shaping your soap. We have different shapes and different types. These ones are silicone mold. We have the wooden mold. We have the metal mold. We have plastic mold. You can use anything you like as your mold. So they'll just help you to shape your soap, so that your soap does not remain where you produce it from. We also need a stirring rod. We also need what else? This is to cut our soap. This is a cutter. You can use any size, and that is it. So basically, you make soap from caustic soda and any type of oil. But this day we used to add other things to either enhance the appearance of our soap or to increase the volume. Here we'll be adding fragrance just to make it smell well, and we'll be adding color just to make it appear beautiful and inviting. Do you understand? Do you have any questions? Any questions? Okay. Any questions? Okay, it's a whisk. They use it for cake. They use it to stir. But I'm using it for soap today. You can use it to stir. And you cannot make a good soap without measuring. These are measuring cups. I was actually supposed to come with a scale. Because for you to get a good soap, you must make sure that your measurements are correct. If they are not correct, you will not get a good soap. So this is a measuring cup to measure my liquids. And I also have to come with a scale to measure my solid. But I've already pre-measured everything before I came. So you need a scale and you need a measuring cup. So let's go in. First, what do we need? We need our oil. So when oil reacts with sodium hydroxide, which is popularly called caustic soda, you get soap. Saponification takes place here. So for us to make a very good soap, we are using palm kernel oil here. The type of oil you use depends on what you want to achieve at the end. But for commercial purpose mostly, this oil is very cheap. It's cheaper than it used to be cheaper than palm oil. So that's why if I want to produce my soap for commercial purpose, I use this because it's far cheaper than coconut oil and other type of oil. Do you understand? Okay, so for palm kernel oil, the saponification value is actually 0.155. That's the saponification value for palm kernel oil. And when I want to make soap with this value, what do I do? And what they are telling me is that for every 1 kg of oil that I'm using, that I should use this amount of caustic soda. That's what it means. They're telling me for every 1 kg of this oil that I'm using, I should have this amount of caustic soda in my spot. Don't worry, I'm going to make it easy for you. I know you cannot go. I'll make it very, very easy for you. So what do you do from here? What you do is multiply this by 1,000. You're going to get 55, right? Yeah. 155, sorry, times 1,000 because 1 kg is 1,000 grams, right? Yes. So to get this in grams, I multiply by 1,000. I'll get 155 grams, right? So they are telling me that for every 1 kg of oil that I'm using, I should use 155 grams of my caustic soda. So once you get this, you now decide, okay, how much water do I want in my soap? You can decide to double that amount. You can say, okay, oh, I want my water should be times 2. My water should be times 2 of this amount. Or it can also be times 3. Most times I do times 3 because I don't want my caustic to be, we call it caustic soda solution, because once you pour caustic into water, it becomes a solution, right? Yeah. So I don't want my lye solution. It's also called lye. And when you hear people talk about it, when you're reading on YouTube or on it, you see them say lye, L-Y-E, also means caustic soda. When you hear sodium hydroxide, also means caustic soda. Do you understand? So mostly we call it our lye solution. So I don't want my lye solution to be very, very concentrated. So most times I do times 3. But I have simplified it for you. You don't need to go through that calculation. What do I do majorly? This is what I do. If I have my scale here, I'll measure, say, 100 grams. I'll measure 100 grams of, or let me say 155 grams of caustic soda. I'll now add water. 155 times 3, which will be like 465. But if I don't want to make that much, I can bring my scale, measure 100 grams of caustic soda. I can measure 100 grams of caustic soda. I'll now plus 300 liters of water. What I'm going to use? I'm going to use this. Okay, let me 250 ml. And then so this is caustic soda. So what I'll do now, I will just take like I'll take like 300 grams of caustic soda. I want to assume that grams is equal to liter, though most times it's not it, but because I don't have my scale. This is 300 grams. And I'll add water. Mostly when you want to dissolve always pour your caustic soda into water. Don't pour water into it. Always pour water. Don't always pour it into water. So that it does not spill and touch you. This is where 1 liter is, where the 1,000 is. I want to make my caustic soda solution. If you touch it to be very, very hot, that's why you should be very, very careful. It's always very, very hot.
It's bringing out steam. You can see the steam from there.
So if you don't touch it with your hand, it will burn you. So normally I'm supposed to do this and allow it to cool. That's what I did yesterday. But the one I did longer, so we'll just give it some time to cool off. And to test whether this thing is okay, your solution is okay, there's what we call hydrometer. Ordinarily, when you bring 1 part of caustic soda, and 3 parts of water, like I explained. You get it, but you still need to check. So I'll just drop it with this into it. I need it to be at the green line and it's exactly there, exactly where the green is. Eh? So I'll know that it is okay. So if it is below my green line, I'll know that it is the caustic soda inside of it is too much.
It's concentrated.
Yes, I'll add more water to dilute it. Then if it is above there, I'll know that it is this caustic soda is less, so I'll add more caustic soda. Do you understand? So you adjust it, but now it is fine. Eh? Because it's there. So this is fine. So I'll keep this one. Hydrometer. Hydrometer. So I'll just pour into my mixing bowl.
I've seen the steam, so you see that it's very dangerous for skin.
But when it has turned to soap and you allow it to cure, there is no more caustic inside and disappears completely. Do you understand? It's like when you are cooking soup, you put egusi, you put palm oil, everything at the end, you will not see palm oil again. Everything has turned to soup. Do you understand? That's why this one is at the end, it is soap. No more caustic soda inside because it has completely cured and disappeared. Eh? So that is it. So we now measure our oil. Yeah, like why is it? Let's go to shampoo. This my level is 125 grams. Nitro, so it's a thickener. So it's a thickener. It's a thickener. It will help us to thicken our shampoo. 125 grams. This one is called chemical. How many of us know this one? It's sodium lauryl sulfate. SLS. It's called chemical rice. It's 200 grams.
Yes, for those who know how to do so, they just call it rice. So this is the rice. Let's say
It's a foaming agent. Help our shampoo to foam well.
Fema, is it the same chemical for soap?
It's the same, but there are some things we use for soap.
Fema, is it not? Can't you just finish it?
It's jelly-like. It's like pap. Eh? It's 125 grams. So
I have just as one student here. You should be answering her question now. Have you not done so? So you're answering her.
there's one student and there's
No, they did just as one
okay.
when we did so. So they should have idea of some of the things.
So that's one thing. It's also a foaming agent. This is caustic soda. The one we just bought. This is 50 grams. The shampoo I'll be making today is a medicated shampoo. Medicated because we use it to wash your hair, to treat dandruff or any hair infection that you have. So I'll be adding sulfur. I'll be adding sulfur. Eh? I'll be adding just maybe like 2 spoons of sulfur.
Tablespoon, right?
Yes.
2 tablespoons of sulfur.
I'll also be adding menthol. It's also like, like peppermint. Eh? But that gives, it's called menthol. Like when you're licking tom, that's really the head. It's also like treatment for the egg.
Yes,
eh?
yes.
So I'll be adding menthol. Just 1 wrap. They sell like this for 200 naira. You can just buy just 1 wrap.
Are you going to finish that
So
one?
they just write 1 wrap.
Are you going to finish this one?
1 wrap. Just write 1 wrap.
This is peppermint oil. I'll be adding 20 ml. Peppermint oil. Peppermint oil. Peppermint. And peppermint that is legal. Peppermint oil. I'll be adding 20 ml.
Is it very harsh?
Not the number.
Okay. You get them?
Let's see.
Perfume to make the shampoo smell well. This is our fragrance. We'll use maybe like 20 ml. Add it as we like, and this is our color. Eh? We have two types of color, or different types of color. We have water-based color, we have oil-based color, we have paste color. But here, because we are doing shampoo that is water-based production, we're using a water-based color. But for bath, we use oil-based color. Do you understand? So we are using the water-based color. And this is methyl paraben. It's a preservative. Methyl paraben. Most of us use formalin to preserve our liquid soap, but it's not healthy enough. It's not healthy. So rather use methyl paraben. It is expensive though, but it is the best, better than formalin for the long run. So I'll be adding just like 2 tablespoons of my methyl paraben.
You're right.
Water-based color, oil-based color, and paste color. It depends on what you're producing. Eh? If what you're producing is a water-based production, then you should use a water-based color so that it can sink very well in your production. If I get oil-based color and put it into my shell, you see it will start floating on top. It will not mix very well. Because gas stuff we are using more of oil. It's an oil-based production, so that's why I'll be using oil-based color for this. And for your toothpaste that is like based already, you know they used to add color. That's why you see different colors of toothpaste. Some are white, some are blue. Have you seen different colors?
Yes.
So they actually use a paste color for that. So it depends on what you're producing. What you're producing will determine what type of color you're supposed to use. Do you understand? Any questions so far? Who wants to ask me a question? I'll put 10 liters of water here.
Just see what she's doing. That's all. You don't need to see. How many liters are you? 10. 12 liters. Is it 1 liter? It's a 1 liter cup.
9.
You don't need to see, they are pouring water.
9.
What else is easy water? 10.
I'll put 1 liter here. Then I'll connect my rice. If I'm making it at home, I can do this one like 1 hour before production. So that it will melt very well before I start. But since I want you to see what I'm doing, you can still do it.
So they are putting the SLS.
This is the SLS rice, chemical rice.
We say rice is what? Chemical rice. What's the use? It's a foamy.
As you pour that, you pour this one. Ordinarily, I'm supposed to have done this like 1 hour before so it will melt very well. But it will still melt inside the soup. You understand? I didn't add water.
You now add water. of Hexagon? Okay, it's a foaming agent. Yes, it's a foaming agent. Rice is a foaming agent. Hexagon is a foaming agent. Nitroso is a thickening agent.
So I'm adding it.
So now this one you are adding, like, make it to be thick, abi?
No,
To foam.
This
To
one
foam.
and nitroso, they are foaming agent. So like it needs water, more water.
Yes, it does. As I said.
When you're doing it, you know how thick you want it to be. This is our 13th or 14th listen.
Because of the nitroso. That's what I'm telling you. It depends on the production. That's when nitroso they are very active. Very active. Some are not. But this is you must have power. You must have power. It's power work. That power. Vitamin E, have you written it? For nourishing the scalp and the hair. Menthol and peppermint for giving a pepperish feeling like Namatol. Then what else was added here? Nitroso for what? How many kinds of color do we have? How many base colors? 3. Number 1? Water base. Number 2? Oil base.
This is my fragrance.
When do you add water base?
And this is our color. Are we enjoying the class? Are we learning anything?
Yes, ma'am.
So we are back. Why is it a solution? Thank you. So I'm adding to it.
That's sticking out too. It's no longer water.
I'm having my second one.
Sticking out like pap.
Come and let me show.
Who can tell me the reason why it's sticking out? Because of that first solution. Yes.
Ensuring sufficient space.
Okay, maybe you stop there. So, I forgot. So when you want to use palm oil, you need to bleach it. Like she said, you can fry it to remove the redness, or else you start staining the clothes.
Yes.
So you can either bleach your palm oil with chemical or with fire. If I want to make, I don't need to use fire. I'll just add sulfuric acid and hydrogen peroxide to help me remove the redness of the palm oil, so I can put it again. But if you don't know how to do that, put it on the fire, fry it as if you want to fry oil. All the redness will go, then you can use it. And have to cover yourself again. I know the good things. These containers you can buy them in the market like. Eh?
Yes.
And I have the like. You can also buy label. They sell it in the market. I don't know. What did you say?
Giving you care, giving you need.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Small Badi Delma, and I'm the head girl of this prestigious school, Zion School. First, I would like to begin by thanking the organization for making it possible for us to be able to have this wonderful tutorial today. By the end of this lesson, we have been able to know how to make shampoo, our medicated shampoo, and our glass soap. Thank you so much for this opportunity. We are grateful.
The organizers of this acquisition. Now, I appreciate them for teaching us how to make bar soap and shampoo. And I'm so glad that I learned a lot of things, and I would love to learn more. Thank you.